Namaste. Hi. Returning after a break of not 1 but 2 weeks is this new episode of the Corporate Channel. Are you taking enough breaks in your work? And do these breaks always revolve around the long weekend trips? I'll tell you ways to take the short intermittent breaks and all with the help of your hands. So, here we go. क्या आप जानते हैं द वेरी फर्स्ट मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन दैट यू यूज्ड टू इंटरेक्ट विद द वर्ल्ड? Let's look at an infant, a stage when even you were just few months old. You will see that it's through your hands that you wanted to express yourself. Always wanting to reach out, always wanting to touch, to hold, to grab. You touch the hands and you touch the heart and soul. You grasp the hand and you tell that person not to go. And when you hold the hands, really no one knows who needs the other more. So, our hands play an extremely important role in expressing ourselves. Feeding not just our tummies with the food, but feeding the hearts and souls too. Unfortunately, when we use more of our brain parts while doing the office work, we tend to forget the power that lies within our hands. And the only things that we remember are clicking the mouse, moving our fingers on the touch pads of the laptops, and scrolling endlessly on the mobile phones just for more and more information. माना कि आपका बचपन बीत चुका है, वी ऑल हैव ग्रोन अप. माना कि आपका ऑफिस का काम, आपका करियर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट डोंट यू एवर लेट दैट चाइल्ड एंड दैट क्रिएटिविटी टू डाई इनसाइड यू. सो स्टार्ट प्लेइंग विद योर हैंड्स विद द टिप नंबर 1. हाथों से खाना बनाना एक कला है, तो उन्हीं हाथों से खाना खाना भी एक आर्ट है. और ये कला कभी भी किसी छोटे बच्चे को नहीं सिखाई जाती, लेकिन बड़ों को जरूर बताई जाती है. टू डिच दैट स्पून एंड ईट विद योर हैंड्स. दैट्स द मोस्ट बेसिक वे टू यूज योर हैंड्स एंड फिल योर एपिटाइट. यस, दैट्स द टिप नंबर 1. डू माइंडफुल ईटिंग with your hands, irrespective of how professional or unprofessional it looks to others. Always take that pride in your culture and the ancient wisdom, and try to set examples even for others to follow. I'll share with you the rest of the tips by taking you through the gallery of my pictures, a sneak peek into those little things that I keep on exploring as an art with my hands. Here I go in the form of short stories for each month of the year. That's the first month of the year, which also happens to be your birthday month. What a delightful feeling to celebrate it wearing the self-handmade dress, a gift from me to myself. When Basant Panchami is round the corner and love is in the air, the reds and the yellows come together from one heart to wish the other. For the season of spring, when a famous quote says, "You can cut all the flowers, but you cannot keep spring from coming." And to this, I say, you may not want to cut the flowers. Instead, try to create a bud with its stem that stays with you forever. Next, when there is no festival around, no celebration reasons around, you still try to create a pocket full of happiness as you just keep joining the pieces of Katran. And hooray! Next comes your child's birthday month, and you just embroider her name with a mother's heartbeat. When your niece comes to see you for the first time all the way from Sat Samundar Par, and you keep a self-handmade dress already ready for her. Have you ever tried to assemble yourself the flowers in a handmade bouquet on your dad's birthday? Or you painted for a birthday picture to become a child again? With the arrival of Raksha Bandhan, what a beautiful way to wish the festival, as there is nobody like a brother for a sister. And when this childhood buddy turns 40, that's how you spread the colors to express as if it's about a 4 years old. Look at this one. When next comes the birthday of your mother, when you want the flowers to look as fresh as your lovely mom forever and ever, you create a completely colorful paper bouquet. This is the Rangoli magic designed for the Festival of Lights, Diwali, and the work is not from one but from all the people in the organization who come together to celebrate the festival. With the onset of winter season comes here the knitting with yarn. It weaves not just a woolen but warmth too. Also, the last month of the year, when you go on expressing the feeling of gratitude along with offering of the prayers for the next year ahead. And not to forget, wishing everyone a happy new year. So, next time when you want to take a break or you want to show that hidden love for yourself or for somebody else, then do not just include the time and money. Do also involve that magic and that art with your hands too. However small or big, however perfect or imperfect, just do it to feel that love, that emotion, that happiness, that sukoon, that fulfillment, and even that kind of meditation. You know, there is lot more that you can do in n number of ways. गार्डनिंग का शौक रखते हैं तो जाइए खेलिए मिट्टी के साथ. अगर आप खाना बनाने का शौक रखते हैं तो बनाइए और सबको खिलाइए. अगर म्यूजिक का शौक रखते हैं तो बजाएं कोई सितार या फिर कोई गिटार. अगर आप लिखने का शौक रखते हैं तो लिखिए कुछ ऐसा जो दिल को छू जाए. छोड़िए आप कभी व्हाट्सएप और ईमेल्स को. लिखिए एक चिट्ठी किसी दोस्त या किसी अपने को. Do you know, when you use all the 5 fingers of your hand, you actually use all those 5 basic elements of earth, water, air, fire and space, जिससे आप खुद बने हैं. Because all these 5 fingers represent all of these. And if ever you find yourself saying कि भाई मेरे हाथ में तो कुछ नहीं है, then do remind yourself of this guideline of the corporate channel and say to yourself, it's all in your hands. I hope that will help you in a better way. I'll see you again in the next episode of the corporate channel with yet another guideline. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. Namaste, Shukriya.